Hey guys, happy Sunday. Becky Thames here live for The Drive at 5. And just wanted to jump on here and let you know it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, and even all the dads and nephews, uncles, cousins, and other relatives that stand in the place for lots of moms. But listen guys, Bud and I are the proud owners of a lake house, and so I wanted to jump on here and show you our view. Let me see if I can turn this around so you can see it. So here's the lake here. We're actually in South Carolina. It's about 45 minutes from our current home. Here's somebody's boat. It says in our boat. We actually put our boat up, but we do have a boat dock here, and this is where we will be docking to go out on the lake. We're actually in Pineville, South Carolina at Angel's Landing, and so we're super excited. Thank you from Denmark. Awesome, glad you could join us. So here's some other peeps. They're getting ready to go out on their boats, but we're super excited. So it's an amazing Mother's Day for me, and you know guys, all of this is possible because of our Amazon business, and I know that I get on here all the time and I tell you guys about you know, selling on eBay and selling on Amazon, and you can do it too. So this is a view. Thanks Valerie for where we will be putting in. You'll hear from us a lot more here when we actually move on the site. And then Bud will bring the boys down here all the time to go fishing. They even have like a little fishing cleaning station, so pretty exciting about that. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me see if I can span all the way around here. There it is right there. So we will be posting from here. You'll see us on the lake more often. We had a fun time out on the lake yesterday, so it's going to be fun to own a lake house, and we're super excited. Hi Julie, tell Ed I said hello. Happy Mother's Day to you. Yeah, it's very peaceful, so super excited about that. But listen guys, you know, I've been doing Weight Watchers, and yesterday on the boat it was bad, and you know, someone was like, you know, a Corona's 5 points but weed is 0. Well, you know, which one do you choose? And I was like, oh man, I don't smoke marijuana, but I thought about it because I wanted to eat like everything out there. But anyway, we had a good time. Oh, look at the ducks, guys. Can you see them? They're like swimming right there. We had the ducks by the boat yesterday. Hey Rachel, Bud and I just bought a lakefront property, so you guys have to come up and go on the boat with us. We're actually in Pineville, so not far from you. Okay guys, getting ready to head back over to our house, but just wanted to jump on here and show you how beautiful the lake is. Have an amazing day. Bye.